This day in science history, November 4th. In 1939, Packard Motor Company showed the world's first air-conditioned car in Chicago. It cooled, filtered, and circulated air inside the vehicle. Drivers could enjoy comfort in both summer and winter. In 1879, James Ritty and his brother invented the first cash register. It helped stop theft and kept track of sales. The machine became known as the incorruptible cashier. The same year, inventor Thomas Elkins patented a refrigerating device. It kept food cool and fresh using evaporating water. His invention was an early step toward modern refrigerators. If you enjoyed this, please visit ENTECH Online for more. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon.